Would you like to lie back a
I
little
can.
bit?
Now listen, you're going to take care of this little skin tag too,
Whoa,
right?
I am not making any promises until I find out what kind of aliens have come out of your toe.
It's
Would
a
you like
clear
that?
gel. It's weird.
How long you had that thing?
Oh my gosh, for a few months.
Yeah.
I've been trying to poke it and
You poked at it, huh?
and got that clear gel
Some
out.
stuff came out, huh?
Yeah, clear gel.
Okay, we'll move your leg over just a wee bit.
Okay, you want me to put it down?
Well, no.
Okay.
Right there was fine.
All right.
Right there.
Okay.
Oh, you got, what do you have, lotion on?
I do.
Okay.
Sorry.
Well, what if I was allergic? I mean,
You're a doctor. You're not allergic to it.
I'm not, just because I'm a doctor doesn't mean I can't be allergic. You don't know what, maybe I'm allergic to aloe or lanolin.
That's true.
What kind of lotion was it?
Some kind of alpha hydroxy.
Oh, okay. No, that's fine. That's a nice.
Something I use every day.
It's a nice name to it, anyway. So you've got something going on with your toe, right? And how long has that been there? Not your toe, obviously.
A couple of months.
A couple of months.
Mm-hmm.
So can you get a close up of that? Look at that. It looks like it's got a little spot in there, doesn't it? I really think that this is some kind of foreign body, right?
Okay.
A sticker or something that's gotten in there.
Okay.
But it does feel,
It's a heart.
yeah, it's not very spongy. So we're gonna numb this up a little bit, okay?
Like a little seed or something.
Yeah, or a sticker.
Maybe.
Or, I don't know, have you been out walking around and
I don't remember.
you're not gonna
I've been
scream, are you?
doing- I might.
Okay, this is the smallest needle we have, right?
Okay.
You're gonna feel a little stick, sting, and a burn. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, deep breath, stick. There you go, sting. There we go. Breathe, 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 breathe. Oh, you're doing, Green Acres, you're doing great. I gave her a nickname.
Green Acres.
You like that? Oh, well, okay, that was interesting. Did you see that? Did you get that?
Yeah.
So I was injecting the lidocaine and the whole thing just sort of jumped right out. It was pretty cool,
Even a
actually.
little seed thing?
Well, we're gonna,
Is that what that is?
yeah, look at that right here. It's a jelly.
It is. See? It's a white
It's a
clear
jelly. So this actually, it could be a ganglion cyst. You see that right there? Look at that. Yeah, that looks like it looks like it's a ganglion cyst.
And what is that?
Well, a ganglion cyst is basically an evagination of the synovial lining of the toe joint, in this case, right? We're gonna do a little squeeze there and whatever's in there, get that out.
Okay.
So I'm gonna lift up, there we go.
Okay.
Let's do that. And if there is anything else in there, I'm gonna get rid of it. But if it is, if this is actually a ganglion, right? Then this could come back.
Oh, really?
This is an really odd place to get a ganglion, right? Not impossible, but very unusual. You can get a ganglion any joint, right? Any joint. Little ganglion cyst.
Dr. Gilmore?
You get it from wearing sandals too often and painting your toenails the wrong colors.
That's me.
Yeah.
I don't have one, so that's why.
Yeah, you might go with a blue. You get them. There's really no, absolute. Wow, I think it's a ganglion. I really do, because as I squeeze, we're getting a little bit more out of there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So this may actually require a deeper surgical kind of intervention where we remove that, or it might heal completely just because we've, squeezed it all out. We've gotten it all out of there.
Okay.
But it's related to the joint, and the joint, this is called the dip joint, right? The distal interphalangeal joint, right? So your dip joint right there. So it would actually be some kind of communication from that joint. But I don't think I've ever seen one of these here on a toe like that. Look at that. See, as I push over here, I think we're getting.
Sounds like it.
Yeah. So I don't think this is serious or anything, but I sure hope it doesn't come back. It could.
Okay.
If it does, we will explore getting this removed if it's that bothersome.
Okay.
It's certainly not the most, the prettiest thing I've ever seen, but it's not terribly hideous either,
Well, it's just when you start to lay down and the sheets are over you.
Oh,
It started, hurting.
Right?
Just the sheets, or it's just kind of annoying, just an annoying pain, and that's when I thought
Yeah.
I need to go get it taken care of. Because
Well, and when I first looked at it, it looked more to me like a little foreign body reaction, like a sticker or something like that had gotten in there.
when
Because
you
that's
squeeze
typically
it,
what
that
happens.
little seed and head just
Well,
got out.
it never really made it that far. I was injecting the lidocaine and
Okay.
it just sort of erupted, right?
Uh,
But I have squeezed a lot since then. I don't
Okay.
see any more fluid
I've
coming
never
out.
been able to do
Okay,
that.
so let's just get a bandage on this.
Is it something you can do, Dr. Gilmore?
Maybe.
Okay.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stack up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
I can think better, and all around it's helped me out.
Do you feel shaky, jittery, or anything like
No,
that?
not at all.
Fantastic.
It made me feel much better physically and actually mentally.
And ever since I started taking it, I have energy throughout the day. I have no problem making it through my runs, energy all night. I'm in a good mood.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.